People live in families. Some families are big. Other families are small. Some animals live alone. But many animals live in family groups as well. These are lions. They live in family groups. There are usually 5 to 7 females in the group. In the group, there is usually only one male. He has long hair on his neck. He is very handsome. He is the father of all the young lions. These are his sons and daughters. This is a family of meerkats. It is a big family. There are 20 to 30 meerkats in the family. This is the alpha pair. They are the leaders. They are the mother and father of all the young meerkats. Aren't they pretty? This is a family of gorillas. This is the leader of the family. He has silver hair on his back. He is the father of all the young gorillas in the group. There are 7 females. They are the mothers of all the young gorillas. Families are important for animals and for people.